Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Cox Wi-Fi box is experiencing slow speeds, random disconnects, or devices are unable to connect properly, performing a reset can often help restore normal performance. Temporary software glitches and network communication issues can occasionally affect the Cox Wi-Fi box, but fortunately, many of these problems can be corrected with a simple reset procedure. Whether you're troubleshooting connectivity issues or simply refreshing the network, the process usually takes only a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that can help reset your Cox Wi-Fi box and get your internet connection back on track. Try these. Step 1. Disconnect power from the Cox Wi-Fi box. Step 2. Allow the Cox Wi-Fi box to remain powered off briefly. Step 3. Restore power to the Cox Wi-Fi box. Step 4. Wait while the Cox Wi-Fi box reconnects to the network. Step 5. Observe the status lights on the Cox Wi-Fi box. Step 6. Test internet access through the Cox Wi-Fi box after the reset.